Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to write content for a quiz channel using Chatgpt step by step. So please watch the video till the end. First of all, I'll ask Chatgpt to write 50 quizzes riddle on the Google ring by emojis present in table with 3 columns. Numbers on the first column, hint as 2 to 3 emojis in the second column and the result in third column, and let's generate it. So here are the 50 quizzes riddles on the Google Drink by emojis present in table format with 3 columns. Okay, so here are 50 quizzes. Let's copy it and paste it in the Excel sheet. Okay, so now we'll go to Canva and click on video. So now I'll edit the video. I'll use this template. Now I write the answer here. I'll copy it and paste it in the next page. And I'll save this. Now let's download it. These are the results. This is how you can make content for quiz channel. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.